Why is it happening to me? Those people, what is wrong with me? I imagine those people in the middle of a sea, the disciples, toiling, people on the shores, looking. Sometimes they could see the storm raging in the sea, but on the shore it was calm. The storm was only in the middle of a sea. I imagine those toiling in the middle of a sea. Look at them. They are okay, and I am not. You see others safely stand on the shore. You are facing storms. We tend to do comparison. Look at them. They are okay, and I am not. Why am I toiling in this boat? I will tell you why. Because you're going somewhere. Jesus said, let's go to the other side. They were not just contemplating life. They were going somewhere. Do we realize that standing on the shore takes us nowhere? The glory was not in having no storms. The glory was in having Jesus in the boat.